Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I am going to talk about murder, which is enshrined in section 300 of IPC. So now I am just going to give a brief overview about this. So murder is defined under section 300 of the IPC, and according to the act, culpable homicide is considered as murder if the act is committed with the intention to cause death, the act is done with the intention of causing such bodily injury which the offender has knowledge that it would result in death, and the third is the person has the knowledge that his act is dangerous and would cause death or bodily injury but still commits the act. This would amount to murder. So as we all know that culpable homicide is enshrined under section 299 of IPC. So now looking forward on the ingredients of murder. So the first one is causing death. There should be an intention of causing death. The second is doing an act. There should be an intention to cause such bodily injury that is likely to cause death, or the third one is the act must be done with the knowledge that the act is likely to cause the death of another. So now for example, A shoots W with the intention of killing him. As a result, W dies in that consequences. So that is obvious that murder is committed by A. And the second example we can assume is like D is a person. D intentionally gives a sword cut to R that was sufficient to cause death of anyone in an ordinary course of nature. So as a consequence, R dies. So here, as we all know that D is also guilty for murder, though he didn't intend to cause R's death. So now talking about the culpable homicide also, it is given in 299 as I discussed previously. So culpable homicide is covered under section 299, and it means that the act done by a person which causes the death of another with the intention of causing death or causing such bodily injury that is likely to cause death, or he has knowledge that the act committed by him is likely to cause death, is said to commit the offence of culpable homicide. So now I have discussed these important topics with you all, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.